Oh, I got you. Oh, you hit me, bro. Chill.
Shut up.
No,
Guys,
It's MJ's crown.
the director needs his silence,
Hey, MJ,
okay?
hit a move. Bust a move for us.
Whoa, that was good.
Look, it looks dramatic.
That's what you did. She's
Oh, she's so cute.
Oh,
He's actually a really pretty cat.
Why
I'm
are
not
you
gonna lie.
trying all the way right
Here,
here?
you can record.
Dude, why'd you tie her on your head?
Yeah,
Low key,
baby.
that's the new
It might be
vibe. I'm
dead.
taking
It's
it
not
like
hot.
Really
that's
behind the
loud.
camera.
Bro, look at Alex's
That's fine.
Gatorade Zero.
Do like a
Okay.
class lecture prank. Just go
It doesn't
in.
matter if
You
you
get
stop
a lot
cutting
of
your
Make a class
hair.
lecture prank.
See me wearing
Go
double
in there.
Nike?
Yeah, let's break people's iPods
Bro.
and give them free ones.
That's the new
Where's your
drill.
house? Gives us a new one.
How do you feel?
Wait, so
Hey, give me that football.
Yeah,
It's harder
give
than a rock, just got me.
We're not allowed to have hard stuff in this house.
Bro, I guess I have to go.
No,
You're gonna say that.
wait,
You're
I have
gonna
to
say
start
that
No,
with
do
too.
you not remember when I cut?
You know the package? I can do that.
Oh yeah. The 2-in-1 deal.
Wait, isn't that a whole movie about a guy that
Cut
accidentally?
his penis off. Bro, this is
What?
funny thing.
I thought you would die if that
It's a
happened.
slush.
I
would
Me
too.
They stopped the. No, but look, he
penis
cut it
slushy.
off, right? But then they were like,
Oh yeah.
But then they said, you remember when he got Reagan? Do you remember the part where he got? Did you see the part where he got venom?
I never watched the
Okay,
movie.
look, this guy got venom stuck in there, right? Or so they thought. So he was like, someone has to suck it out. He was like, fine, I'll do it. And he sucked it out, and then he went to the hospital. Like, yeah, he was like, I sucked the poison out. He was like, sir, there was never any poison in it to begin with. He was like, wow, it was so nasty too. I was like, imagine. She was so
Okay.
concentrated.
Lily, you're just
Lily,
recording
just use
down.
2 hands.
Use 2 hands. Get off that phone. Get
You
off.
know
Use
what?
2 hands.
Hold
Phones are
on.
not allowed.
Use 2 hands
Hold
to
on.
hold the
Use
phone.
2 hands, silly
Bro,
I see you
gosh.
struggling.
I'm
No,
gonna
hold
do it.
on.
I'm gonna do a fan, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, 5 seconds. 5
Oh.
seconds. 5 seconds. Literally.
Two
5
chains,
seconds.
2 chains.
Yeah. Hop down, hop down.
Okay, alright. Yeah.
2 times.
Hop down. Don't hop over there. She's a monster. She's a monster. Come here. Get down.
Range over.
Oh,
Wait,
I
was
love cats.
range over sports truck. Range over sports truck.
Oh, come here. Let me pet you. Let me pet you. Just let me pet you. She doesn't like being pat on the back for some reason.
Oh.
All cats do.
You see the Davis to the phone.
Thank you for the
Coming,
fan.
I know he's gonna come.
Wait a
I always
minute.
make
I don't
my
think it
sister
is, to be
think-
honest.
Wait a
Why?
minute.
Because she was.
I think
Why?
4 days
Did
already.
you like?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah, stop. That's actually hurting.
Wait a minute.
Hi, miss. I made it right.
Every time.
Why isn't it working? There
Come
it
on,
is.
one.
Oh my god.
That's your mom.
Aw.
Who is that? Who is that?
That's
Is
911.
that your dad?
Is that my
Is that
dad?
your dad?
Why would my dad call me to talk to Mr. Thomas? Hang up.
That's her dad. Don't hang up. You have to say his phone.
Yeah, I actually have to talk to my dad real quick.
Oh my, there's a
Dad.
cat attacking my
Daddy. Whoa.
You suck.
Wait, is that the actual 911?
Yeah.
What
No,
the-
stupid.
What?
Double
It
click.
here, it says 911.
She changed it.
It's an app.
It's an ad.
What?
Oh, it's an app.
Imagine having ads.
It's called fake.
She has ads.
It's called. Shut up.
See that? That's all for you, Alex.
It's called.
Shut your black stuff
Leave my black cat alone.
Bro, look what the
I
dryer
just realized
did.
the window was open.
It
So all this
burnt.
stuff I'm doing.
Hey, Donald.
The window is
Yo,
making
Shoddy.
everybody look real
Yo,
white.
Shoddy, let me get in there.
Shoddy, let me get in them.
Yeah, you wanna come
Let
in
me get in
here?
them shoes.
Hey,
Just
here,
broke
you
my
come in
camera.
here?
Hey, Donald. So I heard you had AIDS. Remember to stay positive.
I mean, he
That's the
actually.
wrong thing, but no, it's not actually. You got it right.
Yeah. AIDS are the same. Oh, look at the cat.
Hey, I heard you have
How
like
did you guys
14
age are
holes in
positive?
you.
Ha you guys age are
Ever
positive.
since
Get it?
Vietnam.
Ha.
Wait,
Can I add 14 more?
14. You wanna add them?
Yeah, or I can fill them.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Johnny Sins, and this is.
Bro,
Have you
I
seen
love
the-
that.
How's
you
yours
know
so
cameo?
loud?
I want to get money and do a cameo and have like Johnny Sins say like.
I have no.
Wait,
What's up,
wait.
Losers Club?
How do you feel?
So today, I kind of feel a little
Closer to
tingly
the mic.
inside.
Closer to the mic.
I feel a little tingly inside every time I see this cat with 3 legs. It makes me want to.
Okay, that was in my pants, just to say it.
What was in your pants?
I feel like she's
Nice.
very stressed out. The cat. Hopefully she doesn't poop in here because she's stressed out.
Well,
Whoa, she pooped on
I have a
that.
third leg, so I can help that cat out.
What the heck is that?
Oh my gosh. Sounds weird.
Gross. I
Oh,
have a
he's
third
right,
leg
see? Look at
and a
him.
fourth
Two
I
eyes.
got
and a
bruise here.
fifth.
I got punched here.
16th roll, 16th roll. Nope. Joking.
I'm joking, imagine.
That's how it was like the first
Yeah,
time
I'm joking.
I was
I don't
going
even
to
care
Alex's dad was so
Bro,
Wait a second, I
what
can
many
see.
meters?
Story
Wait, how much is a meter?
Range Rover Sports Truck. Range Rover
Hey,
Sports
Siri,
Truck.
And it's
So 2 meters
How long
apart.
is a meter?
Can you hear me?
Sounds like cat.
Wait, how long is a meter? It's like
Hi, I wonder
32
why.
inches.
It's like
Wait.
It's 30 feet.
Wait, so when my doctor said I'm 1/10 of a meter?
What's that? A meter?
What?
Dude, that's enough for me.
Oh,
I
sorry,
got
cat.
exploited.
Where's your trap queen at?
My trap queen?
Oh,
don't
shit,
know.
I thought that was
I
Jason.
think she was the same.
I thought that was Jason when I first saw it. You know Jason Coral? Coral?
Does he have long hair?
Yeah, he has
Yeah.
long hair and he
Ha-
has a weird mustache.
Try to grow my hair out because I don't want to get a haircut.
Shave
My mom's been
it
begging me
I
to
miss
get
your
it.
dog.
I can shave it. No.
Faith is one.
I'll shave
I
it.
want.
You guys
Faith-
want? You guys
Faith
want to
is a
cut my
special
hair?
person.
I know.
Yes, I'll
Cut your hair.
and dye
Do you
red.
want to?
No, because then
Right
you'd
now?
be like,
Bald?
then you'd be bald.
No, not like bald, but you
Why?
just want to.
Why not bald?
How low we talking?
To like.
I don't know, surprise
To-
me.
to
No,
here?
but
To
my
here?
mom
She's gonna
would.
have
here.
like, she's
My
gonna have
mom would have an
strands.
aneurysm.
Get her.
No, I want her
Oh, like
strands
dreads
right
on
now.
the end?
Make it like
I like
what-
dreads.
what's the
Dreads?
girl?
Make her hair shorter than
Dreads?
mine.
What's the
Have
Pippi
dreads?
Longstocking?
Okay,
You're like Pippi
no,
Longstocking.
make it shorter than mine. She doesn't need to cut her hair for that. Make it shorter than mine.
I'm so confused.
Make your hair shorter than mine.
Shorter.
Mhm.
Well, wait, I only have, I
She'll
don't,
look like a kid with
the only scissors we have are like fabric scissors.
Home run,
Mom
baby.
sews
Look at
stuff.
my face. I don't care.
But it's not meant for
Look at
hair.
the
So I,
doggy.
don't,
Oh.
I don't even know if my mom would let us do that.
doggy?
She might if like we can clean it up.
Where's the doggy?
We could do it in the woods.
Yeah.
What
I don't
time?
know.
I think that's my
Shave
pants.
too, 'cause-
You touched my
You
pants.
need a shave? Could you shave into your
Therefore, you
house?
touched my
Tis
Bro,
in
imagine trying
my
to shave.
pants.
You
Why
got
would I?
big
Why would I
toes.
shave with scissors? That's dangerous.
Bro,
You can't do
I-
that though.
I
Like
sh-
that's
bro.
dangerous.
I shaved
Yeah,
with the neck.
but one
Bro, you
time.
thought you had it hard? I shave with this every day.
Oh my god.
Oh
my God.
I show you how to shave.
Wait, let me
this.
shave. Let me shave.
Wow,
Let me
crack
show you how to
much?
do it.
You do
Actually,
crack much?
I
No,
know.
don't.
My phone's
No.
broke.
He grew.
I used to scrub.
I swear to God, you did.
I swear to God, Donald grew.
I swear to
I
God.
swear.
Dude, everyone
No,
grew.
no, stop.
Donald,
Stop. That's not a joke. It's not a joke. That's not a joke, dude.
I wasn't
No,
no. Oh, okay, so you know how like as a kid you learn how to hold in your poop? I wanted to do that so that like,
What?
whenever I have to
Protection,
poop, so
Donald.
that whenever I have to poop it just falls out, you know? Easy.
I gotta go get my dog.
So instead of asking to use the bathroom, I
You
just do
just
it.
push me,
And
you
then I have to go
just
to the bathroom
align
because
me.
teachers have to let me. So I use.
On my tongue hurts.
Yeah, you slurp it right back up. Oh, why your fingernails are pink? Cute.
This is called nails.
I like them. Mine are yellow and shit.
Get Shrek.
Shrek?
Oh, I didn't
It's
see you
wet.
there.
Oh, hi, I didn't see you guys there, so today this is how I'm gonna go from 101. So you guys,
Sorry guys, I can't do
Suck
that
your
class.
ass
I've been
and pick
single
them
for
up.
about 8 months.
your ass,
Oh.
pick them up,
Suck
and
the
then boom,
girl.
you're taking
Pick both of us up at the same time. That's
and
always
then
my
and
dream.
then you circle your ass.
So we got kind of
Child pornography.
Oh gosh.
Why are you so happy about it?
Yeah, it's just like recording.
Whoa.
Like, what we search up on that one time on Pornhub?
George would be proud.
It was like you searched up something on Pornhub.
Wait.
It was like,
Me and you?
no, it was like all of us on.
Sure, man.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Really
he
has a
went
small
straight for the cooch.
His tail like his tail and my his tail and my pinky has a good fight.
Oh, you're sad.
You have like a sword fight there?
Yes,
Like a
he
sword
smacked
fight.
it. And I was like, ah.
Bro, yeah, one time, like, I
Baby,
fell.
grind on
I
me.
couldn't get up and I just fell
Switch
something on
your
my...
body, take your
Mama.
turn. S-E-X.
Nick, up!
He's so muscular.
Oh my god.
He's like.
Hey.
He actually is pretty strong for how fat he is.
Attack.
Attack.
He doesn't think you're cute enough.
He's
Get
gonna.
out.
Every time a dog
Wipe
gets
the hair
excited,
off.
I always think it's gonna
Chew
pee.
the hair off.
Bite the hair off her head.
Pee.
Bite the hair.
Well,
He's
Whoa.
No.
dude,
In the beast. Yeah, you're weird.
ASMR be like, we're listening to gas sounds coming from dogs.
Oh my god.
No, SpongeBob.
I thought you were gonna hold it and it was gonna do something. Mine is sexy.
Is this still recording? 9 minutes?
That's only 9 minutes.
Where'd you go?
Is she a TikToker?
She's a oh my god. Model.
Meg, haha,
Get bald.
bro, Mickey learned that from Noble.
Breaking her back.
Yeah, but it's not from Noble.
You broke someone's.
Doesn't pass mine.
You broke someone's back.
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Let's try it. Let's try it. One of those shots where like all of us. Hey, Sherman.
What?
Davis, come on. Come here.
Guys,
Come here.
come on.
We're so, wait,
Hey,
I
put
don't,
the dog in.
Mick.
Nick?
That man's gonna come and eat it. Okay, she has a new post.
Who does?
Summer she just said
You're
Summer did not pass her test. I'm gonna show her a test.
I'm out. COVID-19.
Summer
It's
it's bad.
Oh my gosh, that was terrifying. Dude, I was zooming into Donald's face and that pan over into Lily's face was so creepy. She's like,
I was fucking the dog.
I know, the way it was creepy because I like panned over. Yeah, yeah.
Photoshop.
You got
That's what Lily
muscles.
is.
Photoshop.
Actually, do Photoshop.
Photoshop.
How do you zoom out?
He's raw. That's a raw dog.
I zoomed out.
He's raw.
Hey, Alex, come here, you big kissy wissy. Oh,
Kiss me in the mouth.
my
Kiss me in the mouth.
Bop, boop, bop, beep, beep, boop, boop.
That was
Beep, bop,
horrible.
boop,
Oh no,
bop.
you're in there. Okay. Cute.
And this has to be in the videos. They go like, the videos they be like, they do everything with one hand.
Hat. Oh, actually, this actually kind of.
Turn around with one hand. Sit down. Bro.
There's a part in I watched this commentary channel and there's a part in It Chapter 2 where the table like moves and the guy's face and the guy's like it looks like he had a boner underneath the table and it hit the table.
Damn.
Bro, that's like my sister every day. Wait, I mean,
Wow, you just ignored it? Wow.
I never ignored you, baby girl. Oh, don't lick me in my neck. That's my no-no square.
Oh my gosh, Reagan.
Doggy.
Oh wait, there wasn't that much area to cover anyway.
Oh my gosh, Reagan.
Too short.
Oh shoot.
Bro, wait, let me get in there. Oh, wait. I can't handle.
Guys.
It's blocked off, guys.
Bro, you're so short.
How's it fitting there?
This is a line for sex.
It's okay. I'll still try to love you though. It's okay. I'll still try to love you though. High five? Sorry, I'm
You wanna join me? I'm gonna make a shirt that says hug for sex.
Alex is having
So
sex
whoever
with the
hits
dog.
me.
S-E.
Oh,
Alex is having sex with the dog.
Ooh,
Stick this up in his butt, it'll
ooh.
teach him a lesson.
Why that when you can do this?
But Seth, choose my hand.
Pick me up.
Test
I
tube,
said
what?
me.
Pick me up.
Oh!
That wasn't a pickup. That was a drive-by.
You smack like all bone?
Ow, you just smacked my
The
bone.
cat's
Ow.
bone.
My knuckle.
Just like looks out like that?
Yeah.
Hey, cat,
No,
chill.
how about I do that but to your face? How about I do that to Mickey?
The cat's attacking my foot.
thick dog.
Bro. Oh my god, no cap. That man low-key cute. You're cute. Yo, you are cute.
I'm not one rod. I want no stage bait coming over here to why is he calling me cute?
Nah, we're just sacrifice Lily.
Sacrifice.
Soccer!
Thanksgiving food.
Sacrifice.
For the great Honda Cuckoo.
Thanksgiving food, turkey.
Little apple in the
Or
mouth.
like
You can have-
Lily.
Hey, I also got.
Guys, Michael Jackson.
Bro, I fucking love dogs.
That's not how you do it. Fake MJ.
You did a cold bath?
Hey.
You did a cold bath?
Here's your something.
Oh, wrong way, Croft. What are you
That's
doing?
what I do after.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Silly goose.
Silly goose. What that silly croc?
Is your nails painted?
And dial.
Yeah, I kind of chipped them. Siri, play Juice WRLD.
That's so hot.
I know.
This is the point of view of Sherman's eye.
I see you in my room.
Can you even see my eye?
I don't know.
No.
I'm stupid.
With a drama queen from movie. See, I should have bought my.
Oh, bro, that was so cool. I don't even know what was going on.
Oh,
Ew!
look at the cat. It's so cute. Its eyes are so big.
She's terrified.
Yeah, Lily. She looks like a freaking
Cat.
yeah.
Cat lady.
No,